everyone. Today I'll discuss another important topic, that is painful periods or dysmenorrhea we can say. Let's face it, for most of the women this time of period is not the most enjoyable time of the month, because they have their discomforts, little discomfort, they have cravings, mood swings. But for some women it's a time of great concern, as they have severe pain in their abdomen which interferes with their daily routine life. First of all, it's important to know the types of the dysmenorrhea. We have primary type and we have secondary type. The primary means it's because of the natural phenomena which occurs in our body, in which the prostaglandin hormone is released, which leads to the contraction of the uterus to release the lining which has been formed. And in some patients it can cause severe pains and cramps. And secondary dysmenorrhea is because of some underlying cause. That can be any disease like endometriosis, or that can be any infections. We can have strategies to manage this pain. First of all, we can do hot fermentation. Secondly, we can start with the exercising. A moderate amount of exercising will definitely lead to the decrease in the cramps and the pain, and also will elevate your mood. Thirdly, we can give some medications like painkillers, like anti-inflammatory painkillers, but they should be taken under the guidance and in recommended doses only. And lastly, sometimes we need to give the hormonal pills too, in those patients in which the conservative management and other medicines are not working out, or any underlying cause if they have. In case of severe pain, if it's unbearable, interfering with your daily routine, do consult your gynecologist for personalized treatment plan. Don't suffer in silence. Bye. Thank you so much.